Hello! In this short video series, we will take you through the steps from first opening up Fusion 360 to using it to print a part on your 3D printer. So first of all, finding our way around the Fusion 360 interface. When you first open up Fusion, you'll notice there are a number of different panels and areas. Down the left-hand side of the Fusion window, we have the Data panel. This is where we can access all of the Fusion projects which we create and save. As Fusion is cloud-based, these projects will always appear in our Data panel, whichever device we log in on. The Data panel can be opened and closed using the 9 boxes up in the top left. In here, we can create new projects and folders to organize and store our Fusion documents within, and also invite other users to have access to the projects. To open a project from the Data panel, I just need to double-click on it. Then we have the toolbar along the top. This is where we select our tools or operations to use. This toolbar will change depending on the workspace we are currently in. We can switch between workspaces using the drop-down list in the top left of the window. As you can see, there are different workspaces depending on the type of work we want to carry out. The design workspace is where we can create our 3D CAD models. The manufacture workspace, where we can define the processes to create these parts. And as you can see, several other workspaces for other types of operations. We will start off working in the design workspace. The main portion of the window is then taken up with the graphical area. Here we will see our CAD items once they are created or imported. Down the left-hand side of this area, we have the browser. In here, we will see any items which are in the project, such as sketches or solid bodies. The folders can be expanded or collapsed using the arrows to the left, and the eyes are used for visibility to show and hide individual items or whole folders. With a model present, we can manipulate the camera to view this from different angles. With the default Fusion settings, we can zoom in and out using the mouse scroll wheel, pan around by holding down the scroll wheel and moving the mouse, and rotate the view by holding down the scroll wheel along with Shift and moving the mouse. We can also use the view cube in the top right of the window to view the model at set orientations. If preferred, the view controls can be changed from your preferences. Access preferences by clicking on your badge in the top right corner of the Fusion window. Here you can select a different view control setting, as well as changing any other setting preferences you have. We're now ready to start some modelling work.